To install PurityChrom 6, use a double-click on the installation application which will open the installation setup. Press Next, and keep the default destination C Program Files PurityChrom 6. Then press Next and install to continue with the installation settings. A configuration wizard will open which you should follow step by step. Go to Step 2, browse for the license file and choose the LNS file which was delivered via the software CD. In Step 3, a local file system should be chosen. In Step 4, the working directory has to be chosen. Within the chosen path, software settings and configurations will be saved. Per default, the data path C Program Data PurityChrom 6 is used for this purpose. In Step 5, the system name can be changed. Per default, the name of the computer is shown here. In Step 6, the user administration can be activated by using the option Username and Password. If you would like to work without any user ID, choose System User. If you would like to document at least the username but without any password, then choose the third option Username only. In case of an activated user administration, the connection mode SQLite should be chosen to have a locally saved user administration. If you prefer to use your own SQL server to synchronize the user administration over all your PurityChrom 6 computers, then choose MySQL and set the connection information to your own SQL server in the next installation step. Otherwise, Step 7 is used to set the data path under which the local user administration should be created and saved. Step 8 is only used to restore an older installation. Therefore, this step is not needed for initial installation. Continue with Step 9 and press Configure to complete the installation of PurityChrom 6. The installation process will be finished with a message box and the initial username and password will be shown in the configuration wizard. After the first login with these account settings, the user will be asked to create a new password.